sitting at friend's house, having a party and studying. Very nice, Ganesh. That's the best approach. We will start with the strategy management. Ganesh, we are just kidding. If you can comfortably join us, you're most welcome. If you're busy out, I'll send the slides. That's the maximum that we can go for.
I'll just join the class. No problem for that one, sir.
Sure. Okay. Anyways, let's start with the session. We have got to cover strategic management. One second. See, what is strategy management? First of all, let's understand the definition part, right? This was supposed to be covered in the last session, but we'll do it now. What is strategic management? It's basically, let's divide this whole thing into two parts. One is strategy, one is management. Management, we all know, right? Let's understand the strategy part. What is strategy? Strategy is only and only a set of decisions or probably actions that would determine the long performance of your company. That's the strategy, right? You must have heard a lot of time, what is strategy? We are making a strategy. Let's go by plan A strategy, plan B strategy. What is this basically? This is nothing but your plan in your mind or in papers to make sure that those decisions that you take with the actions followed and you reach up a long-term, long-run performance, right? Now, what does it include? It includes four things majorly. One is environmental scanning, internal and external, strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and evaluation and control. Four steps into strategic management, simple strategic management, right? When you have third semester and all, you will have a subject full of strategy management, wherein a lot of type of strategies will be taught to you, like blue ocean strategy, red ocean strategy, many strategies will be coming in picture, right? So every strategy has got a specific purpose, and every strategy will have a different role to play in your organization, right? So what we are trying to do here is, when you talk about strategic marketing or strategic management as such, you have got four things to take care when you talk about a plan. First is environmental scanning. It is being explained in the next slides to come in. It focuses on integrating management, marketing, finance, accounting, production, operation, research development, computer information systems, or management information system, you can say, to achieve your success, right? What happens is at times when we talk about your own company, right, or your own self, which I take as a company itself, right? I as an individual, let's take an example of a company, right? Or you have your own company. Now, just now we were speaking to Robin having an IT company. So Robin is good into IT, but does he not require to be good into management, marketing, money part, the financial part? What are they going to produce, right? Production is the software that they're going to make, right? Then the management. How are they going to track about the money part, which is coming and which is going out, right? Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You guys are there, yeah. So this all will be covered into this whole thing. I mean, like strategic management. Now, what happens is, so what is the benefit of strategic management? Clear sense of strategic vision, sharper focus on what's strategically important, improved understanding of rapidly changing environment. Now understand on your own perspective that as I mentioned you, that you yourself as an individual are a company, right? You might be good at, you have to have a goal in your life, right? For example, after 5 years, you might open up your own business. As an individual, Manik thinks that I am good at everything and I should open up our own business, right? Now, what do you need to do? All the things we need to do, right? All those scanning, everything has to be done. After that, you have chosen a goal, successful person in life. Now, what do you need? So what you decided, let's go for an MBA program. MBA degree is going to give me a push into corporate world, and then I'll succeed in my life, right? Now, imagine, let's go back to this. If everything was going good, right, what is the need of a strategy? Strategy is required when you have a challenge or if you want to achieve your goals. Now, if you take a formula, if you formulate a strategy saying, let me be a successful person. Now, think of something which could add on to your business, add on to yourself as an individual, and then give you advantage. Number one, this MBA degree itself is going to be giving you a value, but make a strategy to add an extra. I was giving an example in the last session, probably with the other morning session, morning shift guys. How many people in the whole of Nepal will graduate with you in master's degree when you graduate? Any idea, any number that you can think of? How many people will graduate MBA degree with you when you will graduate? That means in February 2021, when you complete your 2 years of MBA, how many more students roughly would be passing their MBA with you? Any idea?
Almost 3,000, sir.
Is it only 3,000?
7,000.
Come again?
7,000. More than 7,000.
Say 15,000 or 10,000, right? Let's take 7,000 as a ballpark figure, of 3,000 as you said. Let's take 7,000 as a ballpark figure, right? Now what happens is, now imagine, what is the difference between you and those 6,999 students? Same have got an MBA degree. You might have got from Lim Cochrane. They might have got from Lincoln. Some might have got from US. Some might have got from British college, something. Some might have got from TU or KU, like KU or Pokhara or Purvanchal, whatever. Some will now, recently I've heard of a Midwestern University also coming up. So what is the difference? How do you differentiate between you as an MBA graduate and they as an MBA graduate, right? So we need to have a strategy to take an edge over them, take an extra advantage over them, right? Now, this edge, what I'm talking about, can be a strategy to be higher from them, right? A bigger from them, a better from them. Now, how do you make a strategy? Like Archana said, let me have a 2 years of job with the MBA degree, and probably with this MBA degree of 2 years of job, I will have an experience of 2 years plus I will have a degree of MBA with me. So I will not be called as a fresher anymore. So I will have 2 years MBA plus 2 years of experience with me, right? Manik says, I do not think a job would be good for me. I would like to concentrate on my studies first. Let me finish up my MBA degree. But how do you differentiate between you yourself and others? So Manik says, let me look for a foreign degree. A foreign language, foreign language, right? Let me learn Spanish, let me learn Chinese, let me learn French, let me learn Japanese or whatever language. So now you have a small strategy that you made for yourself, that you will have an extra edge over others. And what you have done is, at least from 70% of the other candidates, which you were of the same page, in 7,000, you were on the same page with 2 years of MBA degree with them. You have an extra edge over them, right? You have got a French language extra or a Spanish language extra, or as Archana would say, 2 years of experience extra. Now comes the case of Rabin. Now he is an IT background person. There are many IT background person out of the 7,000 people who will graduate with him. So what difference can Rabin bring to himself? Let's have a strategy for it, right? So what is the strategy he says? I might be good at IT. That's for sure I am good at, right? That's my bachelor's thing. That's my passion. I do softwares. I make websites. I do everything. So what do I do extra to make, what strategy do I make to make myself have an extra edge over those 7,000 people who will pass on with me, right? So he says, IT background and MBA degree, I have many. I already have a job. I've been to business, so I have an advantage over others. So what do I do? So I suggest him, or we both sit and we make a strategy. Rabin, let's look for having a small curriculum course, which is a certification course or non-certificate certificate course for finance thing, right? There are courses available which are small, 6 months, 1 year, 1 month, 2 months courses available, which says finance for non-finance managers, right? Now MBA degree will go with you along with this 2 years thing. You have an extra edge over those 7,000 people, saying you have an extra course done, extra knowledge you have acquired, and the area which you are not good at, you have taken over that area as well. Now, enough of the individual examples that I gave, right? Let's come on to the examples of companies, right? Can you think of any company which has got already into something and now have taken an extra edge over others by having some extra products? Any idea that you can give me? Let me give you an example and then you can think of it, right? I can see Archana's eyes going up and down thinking over it, and Manik also doing the same thing. Yeah. You saying, Archana, or shall I give an example first and then you'll give?
Yes, so you go on.
Okay. So I give an example of a company called as Hindustan Unilever, right? We all use Unilever products manufactured in Nepal nowadays, right? It's been years that they have been producing in Nepal. When Dabur was there, Dabur got a new line of Ayurvedic products, right? So in the market share, Himalaya, others were taking over, Unilever was going a bit down, right? So what they did is, we need a strategy completely now to take over the market and regain the lost market share. So now they did this strategy, environmental scanning. They decided, they did the scanning and said, okay, we are missing on the Ayurvedic part. Let's have a strategy. Let's check out, let's compete with the products that other companies have and we do not have, right? So the moment it happened, they launched their own Ayurvedic range and they got in the market. They got at the par in the market. Archana, you were saying to me, please go to the example that you gave.
So you Pathaule food segment.
Exactly. My next example was this only. The best local example that we can have in Nepal. Archana, please go ahead, give us.
I'm not so much aware about this, but
No problem.
Like, so food delivery as in मेरो चाहिँ question still. I'm still trying to understand this business. Like जसरी पठाउले चाहिँ नि normal local people लाई pick up and drop गर्थ्यो भने त्यस्तै local people ले नै food deliver गर्ने हो कि के हो कि like are they doing something like Foodmandu or they are just जस्तै कि म पठाउमा register भयो भने if I'm nearby a cafe, I'll just go and someone have requested, then I'll just deliver the food. Is it
perfect? Perfect. That's a perfect thing which you brought in the picture. What was happening was, Pathao, Foodmandu, Tootle, all those apps were launched in recent times only. We have this IT guy. I think is he there with us or he is not there? Right?
Yes, sir. I am listening, sir.
Okay, you're great. You're listening. So what happened, Robin? You can just correct me if I'm wrong. What happened in this recent time only in 2-3 years, all these mushrooming thing happened. Now, what is mushrooming thing? Suddenly something pops up in the market, right? In 3 years time or 2 years, last 2-3 years time, we saw all these, the food delivery app, Tootle, Pathao, Sarathi app, not many came in, right? Foodmandu, Food Mario, all those came in, right? So what was there? It was two segments, two business segments completely. One was Foodmandu, one was with Foodmandu, they had Food Mario, and which was one it? What was one more the name? Foodmandu, Food Mario, Bhoj, right? Bhoj was one. Then came the second segment. It was two complete segments, two different segments. The other one was Tootle, Sarathi, Pathao, Mero Cab, and those kind of things, right? Now what happened was, like as software guys do, and we were discussing with just now, Rabin was sharing that we are into one field and we are thinking to diversify to other field and look for an advantage over others, what others are doing it, right? So what happened was, these apps who were only doing the delivery of people thought, when we have got a software, when we have got infrastructure, when we have got everything, they did the environmental scanning, right? Now what is environmental scanning? Scan the internal, your positive and negatives, and also scan about the external factors. External factors include government, customs, taxes, everything, right? I'll explain it to you in the coming slides. It will be easy for me to give you a picture of it when I gave it the example part. So what was happening was, with this Tootle and all, they did this environmental scanning and they made a strategy, right? As Rabin is doing to open up a new segment, same way Pathao said, let us also think of something else, right? So what they did was, we have got an existing app, existing software. We have got a customer base now from a lot of people who have been traveling with Pathao for a lot of time, right? So what they did was, they just added one small segment in their app saying food delivery, right? they had the app. The major expenditure happens on advertisement, right? The food delivery guys, the bikers, actually are not expenditure for you, because whatever they're going to deliver, they're going to give you commission for it, right? So ultimately, it was nothing, just an extension of the service that they were already having, and they got the advantage over others. Like Tootal, Sarathi now are left behind Pathao thing, right? And also to a level, Food Mandu and Food Mario and Boj have gone out or lesser in the market share, because Pathao has got two ways of earning now. One is food delivery and one is people delivery. I call them people delivery. Now, I hope so far so good. Archana, I'm going to answer your question after this if no one has a point to discuss with this. So far so good. Are we all with the same patch? Manik, I cannot see Rabin. So,
Yes, sir.
okay. So now Archana's question comes in picture. Archana says, how are they doing it? Are they having a different fleet altogether, or different everything like Food Mario, Food Mandu? Or it is like I am just near the nearest cafe is there and I carry the food and deliver to the person, right? Archana, it is not like this. It is not like this. What is thing having? They're having a complete different fleet, complete different set of people for this. Why? Because you do not know how big the packet has been ordered by a customer, right? So if, for example, I have ordered 15 plates of biryani from a biryani adda or biryani house in Maneshwar, right? Or, for example, these days, baklava I have ordered from daraz.com or whatever, for example. I'm just giving an example of Daraz. I have ordered baklava, or I have ordered biryani, 15 plates. So the nearest guy should reach and bring up, if they both are same, but 15 biryanis he cannot handle without a carry bag. That big bag that they carry with themselves on the back, having a bag kind of thing, or in the bike they have got it attached. So without that they cannot keep those food and deliver it to people, right? So Pathao has added a segment into it, but they have got a different fleet as such, right?
Basically, they are just doing what Food Mandu does.
Exactly same. Exactly, they're doing the same thing, but having an advantage over others, saying one people delivery, one food delivery. Exactly same. When you order food over the app, it doesn't go to the biker normal who comes to pick the people. So if you're ordering a person to pick you up on a car or a bike, that is a different thing. This app has got, the app will take them to the other place. If it is from this one, then it will go to food. If that is an interest area of yours, I can show you how daraz.com works inside story. Did I show you earlier?
No, sir. You just showed.
Daraz.com seller center. How does it work? Have you seen it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Daraz. Why is Daraz in the picture?
I'm just giving an example how the orders get executed in Daraz.
Ah.
How does the app of sellers work, right? For example, if I'm a seller, how do I get orders? How do I pack the products? How do I give it to them? And how it reaches the customer? These all things can be understood by the Daraz Seller Centers app. Because I do not have Pathao Seller Center app or Pathao Drivers Console or Food Mandu's console, so I was just linking up Daraz and Pathao thing for you.
So are you like enlisted in Daraz as a seller?
Yeah.
Ah, your product slimming thing.
No, actually, I'm not the one who's doing it. One of your second batch student is doing this whole thing. So he has done this whole separate thing, but I have got the links to access it out.
One of
It's
our
not
second batch as in MBA or BBA?
MBA, yes. MBA. He has got a cafe also in Sankhmul. If
So
you know
his
Lalit
name?
Mohan, I'm sorry?
His name?
Lalit Mohan Joshi.
I don't know.
Okay. He's the guy who's doing it. So he's just taking products and
Which
doing
cafe,
it.
sir? Sankamul.
Earlier the name of the cafe was Brew Bakes, and now the name has been renamed to Dawn and Dusk. Have you seen Mallika restaurant?
No.
Have you seen the motor driving schools?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So it's near motor driving schools in the corner. If you saw on the road, it's there. Mallika restaurant is that from that the Sankhmul pull from where you go to Himalayan Engineering College, and that
Yeah.
Mallika restaurant is there on the right hand side. It's very near to that. I think Manik, you're saying you're staying in Budhanagar only?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it's near to your house probably. So whenever you want, I can show you the Daraj how thing works for it. Right
I think it would be okay now as well.
now itself, there's no people online. I have Rabin, Pratima, and Manik only in the screen. I can see. Ganit is already gone.
Because in the future, if any one of us is thinking to list our products in Daraz, then we can be familiar from that.
You can take my help. I'll help you out with everything. These things are available all the time for the classes. I might not be available. I might be busy, but these things when I have to promote my students, I'm the best. I'm like I do it with my wholeheartedly thing. This is the Daraz Seller Center app, right? This is the console that we get when we register for Daraz thing, right? So what is this is the ratings based on previous this thing. So what is it? Shipped on time, 100%. It was all shipped on time whenever the order came in. Positive seller rating, everyone rated good to us, to this person basically. Cancellation rate 0%. There was no cancellation in last 1 month, right? 4 weeks. That means product rating was 5. Some customer might have rated 5 for the product that he has listed. Then it has got return rate 0. No return has come till now, till date, right? Response rate 100%. Whenever there is a requirement, it's always this thing given to the customer on time. Then this is the operation. This is the performance part, right? See, on the right hand side, you see the operations part. Are we all on the same track? Rabin and Pratima, I'm not able to see you. So are you guys with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Rabin, you already, I think you already have an idea of the Daraz thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So if I'm saying anything wrong, please correct me in the between because I'm also not an expert to do the Daraz thing.
Okay, sir.
Right. This is how the operation works of this thing. This is the performance part. Can you see the mouse now?
Yes, sir.
And this is the operation part. So what has happened is in recent times, there must have been 2 products which were recently listed, right? Now pending orders, there is no pending order till now, right? Then return orders status, that's where it is. Till now, as far as I know about this, there is no return to the product. Everything has been shipped and no return has come till now, right? Now let's go to this left-hand side, which is the most important part, which covers everything. Now products, you can add product, media center, manage image, fulfillment by Daraz. So everything can be there. So if we have to add product, we have to just put in this way. You put up your product thing. For example, can you give me an example of it? Any product that you can think of? Give me one example of a product.
Winter jacket, sir.
No. Food items. This is basically a food into this is registered into food segment, no?
Chicken biryani.
That's not again a food delivery app. Let's say,
एउटा कुनै पनि प्रोडक्ट हान्ने हुन्छ
huh?
त्यही नै उसमा दिइरहेछ त्यो निकन
Nikon, this I should put, okay. Nikon. See, now the moment I put Nikon, they have taken me into cameras suggestion category. Let me put up, for example, Manik biscuits. The moment I put biscuits, it is showing me biscuits. For example, I don't want this category to be there. So let's take, for example, a category that we can have. There are so many categories that we can choose of. This is what Daraz is selling. All these, only 6 items that Daraz is selling. Fashion, bags and travel, sports, outdoor, motor, media, music and books, groceries. So biscuits goes into groceries, right? Into grocery, wine, beer, alcohol, laundry and household, baking and cooking, breakfast, candy and chocolate, dry canned things. So let's go for Snacks is down, so there you cannot scroll it down, so you put up S. So government food also is there. So we have taken this thing. So out of this, lot many options have come in, right? So the moment you put in wrong category, no, the product will get a revert from this before they publish. They check it out. If you've done everything right, have you not written anything wrong in this, and it goes live on the page, right? So this is how it happens. So for example, biscuits and cookies, you confirm it out, it's already gone, right? Now you select the brand. Which brand is it? Manik is not a brand till now into biscuit, but Manik will be a brand in future if Manik plans to open up his own biscuit manufacturing company. But let's take example of Nabico. If it's there, not there. Britannia, it's there, right? Now it will ask you more questions. This is all what you see on Dharas, right? So all those things you have to put in here, and then it goes live to you. Whatever you put in here goes the same. Model, if it is, I got a model. Volume in ml, because it's a biscuit thing, we don't need to write here. Every star marked is compulsory. Every non-star marked you can ignore it, right? Then you have to give a product. Chocolate taste made by Manik himself, right? And good quality. I mean, like, you keep on going, right? You keep on describing about the product. Then again, same thing. You can put up in one of this thing, and it will go up live with you. What is in the box? Cookies, right? Then you upload the pictures. Upload pe click karke, you upload the pictures. Then you put up the price. For example, Manik says, I'll send my biscuits into 10,000 rupees or 1,000 rupees, for example, right? How many quantity you have got to sell on Dharas? So I say only one quantity sell or 100 quantity to be sell. You do not require to do anything else. If you want to have an offer, you see a lot of offers going on Dharas thing, no? That the price is 2,000 rupees / 30% discount is there, and you have to pay only 600 rupees, something is there. Have you seen those offers coming on?
Yeah.
Right. So here you have to put like this. Special prices, for example, if I put 300, this promotion start date. Today I start and I finish on 31st January. It goes okay. Right. So it has come 300 here now. Now service and delivery. Now you have to mention a few more things. Warranty type. Manik doesn't give any warranty. Right. So no warranty. Delivery. Manik does the deliveries, right? So what is the weight of the product? Say 100 grams. So you cannot write 100 like this. It is going to be in kgs. 0.100. Right. What is the length of your packet? Length, width, and height. Why it is needed? To make sure it goes into those packaging material that you have to take from Dharas. So you mention 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and then you submit. It says fill in all the mandatory forms. So you have to upload picture and it will go live, right? And I hope you got an idea about adding a product. Then the previous added products, you can manage it here. Someone said something?
No, sir.
Okay. So you can manage the previous added products here. You can increase the price, decrease the price, make it out of the live stream.
Commission लिन्छ कि नै सर?
हजुर?
दराजले
फेरि बुझ्नु
कमिसन चार्ज गर्छ कि गर्दैन दराजले?
Without commission, what will they
Commission sir, commission यो प्रोडक्ट बेचियो भने अथवा यो
their earning is through commission only. No, what are they paying? What are they getting money for? They only take commission only, nothing else they take.
Sir,
They
in
take commission.
monthly charges or लिन्छ कि लिँदैन? कति लिन्छ
No.
लियो?
No, it's 13% or 14% of the your bill amount. They charge US commission.
भनेपछि हामीले इन्भेस्ट गर्ने बेला त्यो पनि एड गरेर
You cannot do it. If you're selling, if your product is the MRP, then you cannot do it.
अनि कसरी फाइदा हुन्छ सर यो प्रोडक्ट राख्नेलाई?
You have to source the product at a cheaper price from the place you're importing. No, for example, if you're making a product, it is completely on you. For example, Manik is making the product into 50 rupees. He can put his MRP as 100, no? Out of that, he can pay the company. I'm talking about the products which come from the company with the manufacturing amount. Price is mentioned. That you cannot play on, no? Which MRP is already mentioned. How will you play? That cannot be tricked on.
So, अनि कसरी यो register हुने यसमा?
You need to have your PAN, VAT, you need to have your company registered. Then you need to have a security also is taken by this Daraz thing. You take a security because what happens is you may add on 100 products and then don't deliver a single one. Right? Or you might play into game. You order a phone, like you upload iPhone 7 and you give them a Dunga. What happens then?
Security as in
They take five. Huh?
अगाडि नै त्यो प्रडक्ट चाहिँ उसलाई डेलिभर गरिराख्दिने.
No. What happens is, I as a seller registered in the company Daraz, right? So from Daraz, what happens is, how do they will make sure that I am delivering the right thing or wrong thing? It is only when customer complains, no, right? Then the whole dispute thing starts on picture, right? There is an option of something called as dispute thing also. I'll show it to you now. So the customer can raise a dispute that it was not right what was ordered. The delivered product is different from what was ordered to be, right? So their dispute comes in. There, if the case gets into more discussions and all, customer claims I had got a wrong product. He had made a video also before opening the product. Everything was done, sorted. Seller says, no, I had delivered it right. So they will have to take an arbitration, no? So in that case, how do they take money from me and refund it to the customer? So they keep a security for all these things. And with a security, sellers don't cheat the customers. That's the purpose of keeping a security. And also they get a lot of money in cash before.
Okay. So, कस्तो खालको securities are हुन्छ sir? Normally.
Depends how many products you have. What is the pricing of the products? 5 lakh, they give 50 lakhs तक security. For example, you see fridges on TVs on this thing, no? Daraz. So if a TV is in the box of TV, you deliver something else, what will happen? 60,000 rupees, 70,000 rupees, who will pay? Out of that, for example, in 11/11 sale or 12/12 sale, which is going to happen now, you got an order of 5 TVs. All 5 you have put in granite slab or marble slab. What will the customer get? So for 5 TVs, if the price was 1 lakh rupees, you got 5 lakh rupees, right? What happened to this? Lot of things are there. So they keep a security for it. I'll show it to you how it works. Now, this is the products segment. Let's see how you manage the product.
जस्तै सर अब आफूसँग प्रडक्ट सक्यो रे अनि इम्पोर्ट पनि गरिरहेको छैन एज अ प्यासिभ सेलर पनि बस्न मिल्छ उनीहरूले त्यो हटाउने सर्टेन ड्युरेसन पछि प्यासिभ सेलरलाई हटाइदिने त्यस्तो केही छ पोलिसीहरू?
Yeah, they have got. They downgrade you also. They have. I'll show it to you. That I'll show you first and then take you to the next one. तुम लोग ये से बातें करते हो मेरे से, फिर बोलते हो पढ़ाते नहीं है सर.
हैन सर इन्ट्रेस्टिङ कुरा छ नि सर के नयाँ कुरा.
तबै
expensive है ना?
हाँ?
Shipping charge is too expensive.
Yeah, 250 rupees. It's a half kg thing, no? Half kg thing which will go. Now, Daraz is earning like anything. Daraz is earning like anything.
प्रतिमाले कता हो म आफै आउँछु बरु नल्याइदिनु भन्छ होला.
That is also an option. Customers have an option to collect it from the collection center also. While ordering, you have an option.
Sorry,
now what will happen is
दराजले नै राख्छ आफै.
I'm sorry?
Shipping charge चाहिँ सबै दराजले नै राख्छ हामीले
100% दराज. The seller को तो कुरा ही छैन, seller को तो काम ही छैन ना shipping में. Shipping में seller को तो रोल ही छैन. तो वो charges seller लाई मिल्दैन. Now I'll show you.
दराजको आफ्नै शिपिङ उ छ कि सर अरु कम्पनीलाई कसैलाई बर्डर थ्रु गराउँछ?
आफ्नो shipping पनि segment छ उसको. That's a diversified business that they have done. They ship themselves only. Now, with the order, I'll have to print all these documents, invoice, shipping label, all those things which you receive on Daraz, no? You have to print it all. And then you have to paste it while putting up this coffee in the packet, right? And then set the status as ready to ship or cancelled. If I cancel this thing, right, it will go as I showed you, the downgrade criteria will happen because I am cancelling it because of several reasons. Now, as I showed it to you, 2 days time was there to ship the product. To ship on time SLA, I have got 52 hours to ship this product. 10 December 2359, this will go. It has to go before that. Otherwise, I fail on the SLA, service level agreement. Right? Now, just to give you an example, this product will go tomorrow. It has already come in. This order was given. I'll show it to you. This order was given by some person like you gave, right? I will show you in a better way. I'll show you how the bill also is.
सो त्यो स्टेप चेन्ज गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामी पर्चेजरहरूलाई त्यो इमेल आउँछ नि, त्यही हो डाइरेक्ट अटोमेटिक?
I'll tell you one minute. Let me complete it, otherwise I'll finish off. Forget what I'm trying to do. This is the bill that will go, right? Now, for example, this is going to Naxal area somewhere. This Sharmila Khadgi has ordered this health card, Omega 3. Omega 3 will go to her. The price is 1758 and she gets 59 rupees shipping charge. The price of the product is 1699, right? This is how it goes. This will go tomorrow before the shipping, this thing, SLA, it will go, right? These are 4 products which are already into processing. Now, for example, this Muscle Brace Co Omega 3. This is already in the process. This is going to Vipin in Bhaktapur Sallagari area. It is already shipped, right? This is already shipped. So these 4 products were shipped yesterday or before yesterday. And it is on the way to reach the customer. Now let's see delivered one. These are all delivered one. Right? Let's open one of the product and see what is there. Multivitamins.
सर अनि दराज चाहिँ कहिले पे गर्छ सेलरहरूलाई?
I'll tell you. That is next, Baba.
Sir, Darazle international product ni rakcha?
See, Daraz itself doesn't have any product. It is you as a seller, you can keep any product.
Yeah, I understand, sir. Anti matlab international rakcha, matlab product haru.
Example दिनुस् न product को example.
त्यो आई थिंक प्रतिमाको आन्सर चाहिँ त्यो रुटिन अफ नेपाल बन्दले भर्खर हाले थियो कि अब नेपाल गभर्नमेन्टले पनि जस्तै यो eBay-हरु अनि Amazon.
That is, see, you are mixing 2 things. Pratima, is your question the same?
जस्तै हामीले त्यहाँबाट किन्नु र उसको क्वेशन चाहिँ बाहिरको ब्रान्डले दराजमा इन्लिस्ट गर्ने कुरा सोचेको के होले चाहिँ?
I'll tell you now. बाहरको प्रोडक्टलाई एउटा सेलर तपाईले मेरो जस्तो सेलर कि तपाईको जस्तो सेलरलाई प्रोडक्ट ल्याउन पर्छ, सेलरलाई प्रोडक्ट अपलोड गर्न पर्छ. दराजको मात्र काम हो तपाईको जो सेलरको प्रोडक्ट छ नि उसले कस्टमरको दिखाउने उसको वेबसाइटमा एपमा उसकोबाट कस्टमरबाट तपाईको भागमा अर्डर लेनी और तपाईको साइटबाट डेलिभरी गराइदिने. जम्मा दराजको कुरा यही हो. Daraz has got no single product listed of themselves. Daraz को आपने तो कोई product छैन. It is only sellers who are selling on Daraz and it is buyer who is buying. Daraz is just a platform like website or an application.
सर उसको क्वेशन सपोज म अस्ट्रेलियामा छु.
Exactly.
अस्ट्रेलियामा चाहिँ एकदमै युनिक खालको एकदम राम्रो कफी छ रे अनि आई थॉट कि मेबी दिस कुड बी अ प्रॉफिटेबल बिजनेस भनेर म एज अ सेलर अस्ट्रेलियाबाट इनलिस्ट भएर इज दैट पसिबल भन्ने त्यही होइन तिम्रो क्वेशन?
You cannot list the product from Australia. If your product has been imported to Nepal, then you can list it. You as a seller can list it. But this importing thing, paperwork, everything has to be done by the seller. Daraz will not do anything. For example, मैं तो पहले दिखाई दूँ. यो invoice है तो यो Muscle Brace को Omega 3. This is a product made in India, right? A seller has to import it, upload it, and sell it. Daraz को कोई role इसमें international यो पर international product होनी free. Made in India बनी हो, but it has Daraz will do nothing in this product.
सो कम्पनी त नेपालमा दर्ता भएको हुनुपर्छ हैन?
कुन कंपनी?
सेलर को
तो नेपाल में ही दर्ता कराना पड़ता है. सेलर को तो सबै काम नेपाल को हो नि. I'll show you. This Pencho Trading Company, can you see my mouse?
Mm.
Can you see the mouse?
Yes, sir.
This company is Nepalese, this thing company, no? See, you can see your profile, everything.
So basically सरले भन्न खोज्नु भएको तिमी इम्पोर्ट गरेर इनलिस्ट गर तिमी नेपालमा दर्ता गर तिमी यहाँ कसैसँग लियाइज गर म तिमीलाई प्रोडक्ट पठाइदिन्छु भन तिमी एक्सपोर्ट गर्दै उताबाट यताको मान्छेले कम्पनी दर्ता गर्छ बेच्छ त्यही
See,
हैन
this is the company, limited liability company that you open bank account. This is the name of the person. I told you, no, second batch guy who's doing it. So this is the name of the person. This is the bank details. Everything comes in. Warehouse, Sankmul, everything comes in. You were saying, Archana, I missed on what you were saying. Come again.
सर हजुरले भन्न खोज्नु भएको चाहिँ अब बेसिकली इम्पोर्ट गरेर त्यो प्रोडक्टलाई नेपालसम्म ल्याउने जिम्मा आफै लिएर अनि इन्भेस्ट गर्नु पर्यो बाहिर मान्छे भए पनि उले नेपालकै मान्छेसँग लियाइज गरेर अनि गर्नु पर्यो भन्नु
That's how this Daraz, Sasuril, everything is working. That's the process. That's the process. See, everything has to be done by you. You bring the product here. For example, this iPhone I brought from India, Australia, Nepal, anywhere. Now I need to have a proper billing system also. I cannot bring anything just in my baggage and sell it on Daraz. That will not happen, right? That cannot happen. You have to have VAT bills, PAN bills, everything. Nepal income tax, this taxing is very difficult. Honestly, I'm telling you, it's not easy, right? And you have to send the PAN bill, VAT bill with the shipping also to the customer. Without that, it will not go. Now, I move on to the next part. So shipping is here, right? As I showed you, delivered is here. So how many have been delivered? This is all delivered product. Now you can see mixed card is anyone who has paid by card in advance, and COD is cash on delivery, right? So these are all products paid and delivered. This was the latest one. Muscle based multivitamin for women, vitamin, minerals, antioxidant, immunity booster, 60 capsules. This is again been delivered to this lady, Eva Tamrakar. Botai tea.
सर अनि प्रोडक्ट जे पनि राख्दा हुन्छ
Yeah.
एनीथिङ
Yeah. Tell me what specifically you are looking for. Shoes. Yeah, you can put shoes.
जस्तै एउटा कम्पनीमा एज अ सेलर रजिस्टर भएर सुज देखि मेकअप देखि क्लोथ्स एनीथिङ त्यसरी पाइन्छ
A very good question. You need to have a specific purpose when you register the company. No, when registering a company, there is a purpose asked from registering. Is it like a trading company? Is it like a cosmetic company? Is it like a saloon? Is it like a kirana pasal? All those things registration में लिखना पड़ता है ना मिलाई. So उसके accordingly the पहले product डालना मिल जाए. Now for example, this is a trading company, completely trading. So anything can go in this product. That's what I was trying to tell you. If you open up for shoes, no, it will go only for shoes thing. You get my point?
सर अब त्यस्तो भयो हैन जस्तै मैले चाहिँ नि लङ टर्म सोचेर
मलाई मजा आइरहेछ तपाईको बिजनेसको दिमाग चलिरहेछ न. That is the best thing I like. Us business, that is the best mind you can use. Manik, you are there with me. Robin, can we see you also?
Yes, sir, I am with you.
सर जस्तै हैन अब हामीले चाहिँ के सोच्यो भन्दाखेरि ल एमबीए गर्दैछ एमबीए सकिन्जेलसम्म केही न केही चाहिँ बिजनेस गरौँ तर त्यसको लागि अहिले चाहिँ कम्पनी दर्ता गरेर छोड्दिउँ न त ट्रेडिङ भनेर अनि ताकि जुनसुकै प्रोडक्ट गर्दा हुन्छ पछि भनेर त्यस्तो गर्न पाइन्छ
100%
ट्याक्स पनि त तिर्नु पर्यो त नि ट्याक्स पनि त तिरिराख्नु पर्यो त
Exactly. Lot of things have to be taken care of. As of now, you see, दुई चीजें होना पर्छ. एउटा सरकारी कागज पत्र पूरा पढ्न पर्छ. एउटा प्रोडक्ट लाई पनि राख्न पर्छ. So two things. As of now, focus on, as an MBA student, focus on product first. सरकारी कागज वर्क को पछि को कुरा हुन्छ. Forget about it later. Do it later. As of now, do you have a product? If yes, what is the margin that you can take from this product? What is the average price which people are buying in the market? For example, I don't have a shoe nearby me. I would have shown you. For example, this is normal body cream. Nivea ki body cream auncha na, Nivea ki body cream. That my wife has put in a small bottle and my daughter uses it, plays it and uses it. but this itself can be a product, right? You can put up your label on it, right? And say this is whatever body care cream and all, 60 rupees or 70, whatever price you can put it, right? This product can go into this company, trading company, right? What I will have to do is I will have to show where I got this from, right? So what I will do is I'll show that I got this from Miniso, this small bottle from Miniso, and the cream is Body Nivea. I can do that, but I need to show it where it has come from, where it is going. So VAT bill has to be there when I purchase this and when I purchase the raw material. Repacking I have done. So on the label also you have to write repacked by. Did you get my point? That's how you can do it. For example, now I have to understand first, this bottle can sell in how many price in Nepal? If the costing, if the costing is 50 rupees for this whole with cream and bottle, and MRP is 100, I have 50 rupees. Even if 14% of the amount I give it to Daraz, I still make a lot of money. Play with it. Who stops you? Shoes, for example, the shoe that you have got, what is the cost price of it, right? And what is the people who can buy the price into it? For example, 100 rupees juta kinyo, you can think of it can sell in 300 rupees also. Put it on Daraz.
सर अर्चनाले भने जस्तो अर्चनाको सुजको दराजमा राख्ने विचार छ हैन सर? अनि जस्तै अब अर्चनाले त्यो सुजको लागि लिस्टेड भयो हैन दराजमा, अनि अब त्यो दराजले चाहिँ एउटा सर्टेन टाइमसम्म जहिले पनि बेच्दा हुन्छ त, उसको चाहिँ फिजिकली पनि पसल छ नि त सर। उले जस्तै कुनै सुजको त्यो जति बेला पनि बेच्न पाइन्छ कि दराजले भन्छ कि एउटा सर्टेन टाइम जस्तो 1 मन्थसम्म तपाईले यो प्रोडक्ट बेच्न पाउनुहुन्न भन्ने त्यस्तो टाइपको पनि छ कि देयर इज नथिङ सर लाइक दिस?
No limitation. For example,
अनि त्यस्तो अनि जस्तै अब मेरो फिजिकलीमा जस्तै प्रोडक्ट अप डे टु डेमा मतलब पर्चेज भइराछ अनि डेली अपडेट गर्नुपर्छ दराजलाई मेरो प्रोडक्ट यो आउट अफ स्टक भइसक्यो भनेर।
100% करना पड़ता। I'll tell you how. For example, this girl had ordered this coffee thing, no? I'll show it to you. Very good question asked. How do you play with this thing? This is the coffee, right? 197 is what I put. Decrease the stock to 197. It is -1 because it is occupied. One product is showing occupied. See, the moment I put it, what has happened is it has become 0. So clearly it can show price not greater than 0, stock not greater than 0. So now Archana, can you search the same coffee again on your phone?
मलाई भाइब्रेट त गरिरहेछ सर फोन।
No, vibration has nothing to do with this thing, yeah. Your order is placed, that is already gone. Why will the phone vibrate because of this change?
होइन सर हजुरले क्यान्सल के गर्नु भयो सर? मलाई के गर्ने सर? यसलाई प्रोडक्ट खोलेर हेर्ने?
Yeah, please open the product again. Try and order one more.
Okay, let me check.
Rabin Babu, शकल दे रहा हूँ ना, सबीले हिरदा करूँ ना काम. He is scrolling Facebook. Pratima again.
सर के पनि देखाएको छैन। 40% डिस्काउन्ट देखाइरहेको छ। त्यो त अघि पनि थियो होला। I cannot see any changes.
Earlier you were getting an option of buy now, add to cart. Now you're getting add to cart and add to wish list.
Add to wish list.
The moment I put it at 0, it has gone add to wish list. Did you get my point, Pratima? Your question is answered. So you will have to update here. Kati cha na ta paisa.
Okay.
सर अनि जस्तै अब मलाई यो प्रोडक्ट एकदम चाहिएको थियो रे, मैले कहीँ खोज्दा नि नभेटेको, अनि यहाँ आउट अफ स्टक, अनि जस्तै यो कम्पनीले चाहिँ अबदेखि म यो प्रोडक्टै सेल गर्दिन भने रे हैन, अनि त्यही पनि यो एड टु विश लिस्ट भनेर डिस्प्ले गरिराख्छ दराजमा कि क्यान वी लाइक कम्प्लिटली रिमुभ दिस?
We can remove it. We can remove it. This is the action part.
Okay.
We can remove it. Now the moment I add on the stock, no, again it will show you as order now. Did you get an option of buy now?
Yeah.
See, did you see, Pratima, what you were asking? Is your question answered now? Manik,
Yes, sir.
is your question answered? Manik ko to question ही थियो ना, Pratima को question थियो नि?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how did you play with this like 1500 को MRP लाई 40% डिस्काउन्ट भनेर 900 मा राख्नु भयो, त्यसमा पनि अझै 14% दराजलाई दिएर पनि you'll be making a profit. Oh, yeah.
दराजको स्पेसियालिटी भनेकै त्यही हो अर्चना।
नहीं रबिन, यो अलि डिफरेंट होला। दराजको स्पेशलिटी छैन, यो सेलरको काम हो। दराजको तो केही रोल छैन यसमा। Daraz has nothing to do with this. I'll tell you, Archana, I'll be very honest with you.
10-20% माथि राखिदिन्छ अनि त्यसपछि घटायो पनि के घटाएको भन्नु त्यही नै हो त्यसको। हामीले धेरै भोगिसकेका छौँ।
I didn't get it.
He is saying you increased it by 40% and then you showed it as same 40% as a discount.
No. This product can be played only because this product does not have MRP at all.
Exactly.
This product, I'll show it to you right now also. This product does not have MRP printed on it. So when the MRP is not printed on it, you can play with the price.
So the market मा त अब जस्तै यो प्रोडक्ट तपाईले 6 महिनादेखि बेचिराख्नु भएको छ रे हैन, अनि कतिले रेफरेन्सको बेसिसमा पनि प्रोडक्ट किन्न सक्छ नि त।
Daraz में there is no reference thing. Daraz में online जाओ, online खरीदो. There is no reference in Daraz.
हैन, रेफरेन्स एज इन मेरो साथीले भन्यो कि मैले त यो प्रोडक्ट दराजमा बाट किनेको, यो प्रोडक्ट त मैले अब जस्तै 1200 मा किनेको भनेर उले मलाई भन्यो रे, ए हो त्यस्तो राम्रो प्रोडक्ट छ भने म नि हेर्छु नि त भने मैले दराज खोले रे, अनि दराजमा चाहिँ देखायो रे 1600 अनि डिस्काउन्टमा 1500 भनेर, अनि त्यो त कस्तो उले चाहिँ त्यो प्राइसमा लियो सेम ठाउँबाट, मलाई चाहिँ किन त्यो प्राइस भनेर त्यो मेन्टालिटी त्यो इम्प्याक्ट पर्न सक्छ नि त।
That imandari has to be done by seller. That imandari has to be done by seller. That he is putting the same price what he's selling in the shop has to put in there. Now, for example, if you go to the cafe and buy this coffee thing, you will get in 900 rupees only. You will not get in anything lesser. What can you negotiate is play with the whole emotion. That's the whole thing. Oh, ये पनि होना सक्छ नि। मेरो आएको कॉस्ट ही इसको 750 रुपए हो फेरि। MRP 1500 रुपए लेखेको हुन्छ, मेरो कॉस्टिङ आयो 750 रुपएमा। And I am selling it 900 rupees. यो पनि हुन सक्छ कि सक्दैन? MRP is X. I can have lesser. Obviously, my cost price will be lesser. No. Now, negotiation with me and my company is different. You do not know as a buyer. No. Malai factory bata kine khoju coffee. I have got the price control negotiation with them. No. So I purchased in 700 rupees, selling in 900 rupees. MRP is 1500 rupees. So customer is also getting benefit. I am also getting benefit.
So त्यसरी मार्केटमा प्ले गर्नको लागि यदि इफ यु आर ए सोल के भन्ने एउटा मात्र कम्पनी भए त हो नि, अब इफ यु हैव सिमिलर कम्पिटिटर्स सेलिङ द सेम प्रोडक्ट्स त्यस्तो केसमा चाहिँ
he is also getting a 700 rupees only then, I assume. If he is getting it higher, he will not come in the market. He will not be able to compete with me. If he is getting say the same price, he can put 980 and 90, reduce the price or play a bit more. That can always happen, no? One same product can have different prices because the seller is playing with the margin. He is not putting a full margin. He's putting a less margin with this. Do you get my point? I'll move on to the next part. So this I've already showed you how it works. Now a lot of campaigns come in, right? For example, you see flash sale, 11/11 ko sale theo, all those things you see, right? So you have to register for this sale. There's no available campaign right now. So registered campaign is 12/12 ko sale. 12/12 ko sale aira chhe. So that is registered here. 11/11 ko sale theo, Dashain dhamaka theo. So that's how you can do it. You can put up into this thing. And for example, free shipping. Now shipping charges that the customer is paying, you can make it free by paying yourself.
Yeah.
Right. So for this company, what they have done is 4000 को बड़ी को order कर दे, shipping is full free shipping, free subsidy, all regions. Right. This will show on your this thing also, app also, that if you buy 3,990 rupees, you get free shipping. It will show on the app while you're ordering coffee. Right? So now when you ordered coffee, if you put 5 pieces, you will get free shipping. And the shipping amount that you have to pay for this one product and 5 products, that will charge from the buyer, seller. So all the shipping charges will also be borne by seller himself. Now the question was, how much time does Daraz take or Sasur will take to pay off the seller, right? This was the question which Archana asked me earlier. I told you I'll show you later. This is how it happens. This is the account statement. Every 14 days billing they do. Every 14 days billing. Now, for example, from 1st December to 14 December, the delivered items, not the shipped, not the shipping on the way, on the processing. Here I showed you. Shipped, which is already in transit, right? Where is it showing? Shipped. Somewhere it will show when I'll do something and something will be there. So these 4 are shipped. 1 is ready to ship and 1 is pending, which Archana had just ordered. So 4 plus 5 plus 6. Je 6 product ko amount is much hai na phir aaj isma. So once it get delivered, the customer pays off, then it comes to the system. So this is how the things work.
Sorry,
The
all other credits भने के हो सर?
Shipping charge.
जस्तै हामीले फ्री शिपिङ गराएको बेलालाई पनि हाम्रो चार्ज.
No. What they do is, whatever shipping charge they take from customer, they show it to us. They give it to us as a money. They give it to me and then take it back from me. That's the system that they have made. So, you heru na 1972 hamro item ko suppose whatever price is there, you can see what product, what price was there. This is the thing which is coming up, right? Now I'll show you. Oh, where is it gone? Yeah, it's here, right? This was the list which you can take. This is a list of product. This money go kati ko amount ko. This is all available here, right? Now let's see. Your credit ko kamu shipping paid by customer. See, shipping fee 651, right? So why they are giving it to me? Because they will take from me and charge VAT from me. So this is how it gets paid. Refunds ke pani aayega thyo na. So this is the amount that I will get in cash. So now you can do a rough calculation. How much is the amount which is coming up? How much percentage it is going on? 17,639 divided by 19,722. 11% is roughly that they have charged. Right. Now this 11% has been played. Why? Because the shipping charges were 59. If 259 rupees comes in, the margin amount will go out. So 11% will become 12%, 13%, 14%. Do you get my point? And it depends on the seller also, what negotiation seller will do with the Daraz people. Now, earlier our charge was 50%. We negotiated and brought them to 10%. 10% plus shipping ka percentage. So, hamro aile ma 10% net ma jai raha cha Daraz lai, auru amount the shipping charge ko auncha 2-3% ko shipping jasto ko jancha. So, roughly we are paying 13%, 14% to the Daraz people. Now, Archana's question: when will it get paid? Estimate date of payout 21 December to 23 December. So, ek dekhi 14 ko jo payment auncha ni sabhi ma, within 7 days of 14th every month, you'll get the money in your bank account. Very systematic, very professional. Now, for example, I'll show you the previous month. It is saying paid. Can you see the mouse? Paid. Asti kito diyo 14,951 ka amount diyo. 13,400 rupees. Payment was completed on 6th of December. Before that, 28,000 को सबसेट टोटल MRP को माल थियो 23,068 कंप्लीट ऑन 18 नवंबर. कौन सी डेट को थियो? 1 देखी 14 को पेमेंट कहिले आयो 18 ला आयो. So the moment your billing cycle gets completed, Within 4 to 5 days or 7 days is the maximum time they take. Within 4 days, 3 days to 7 days, they pay off you the amount. Right?
सर अब जस्तै अघि मैले अर्डर गरेँ होइन अनि त्यो अर्डर गरेको नोटिफिकेसन हजुरलाई आयो अनि हजुरले के एक्सन गर्दा चाहिँ मलाई त्यो इमेल्सहरु आउँछ नि
Okay. Now, the moment I put the status ready to ship, it will go to you. Right? You will receive a message.
दराज पनि
Huh?
दराजलाई पनि इन्फर्म हुन्छ
Daraz koi app ho babu. Daraz ke sabhi inform huncha. Daraz will only send you a message or something will come in your order is ready to be shipped now.
अँ
So tomorrow this guy will go put up this thing, print out the label, put in the box, give it to Daraz center, and it will go for shipping. So then it will come to shipped.
जस्तै अब प्रोडक्ट त हजुरसँग हुन्छ नि त अनि दराजमा मान्छे आउँछ प्रोडक्ट लिन भोलि
No,
जब त्यो
Daraz people don't come. Daraz have got hubs in every area. You have to go and deliver to the Daraz hub. In India, Amazon, when we sell on Amazon, they come to the selling center, they pick up and take away. But in Nepal, Daraz has not done the system. They don't come and pick you up. You have to deliver at the hub there, and then from there they do the shipping.
ए
So every day, how many orders come to you? You have to pack them, put up in a bag, take car, bike, walk, whatever. Give it to them. They will scan, put up into ship, and then you are free.
अनि सर once you send it to the त्यो selling center अनि मात्र you change this status ready to ship
Yes.
भन्छ
No. Ready to ship to यो अहिले गएको छैन यो product. You print गरेपछि you can put up ready to ship. You can put up the status, and whenever you deliver, it will come from ready to ship to shipped. From here, the moment you have packed the product, you put that ready to ship. So it will come here. Whenever you give it to the hub, it will go shipped. And from shipping till the time it takes you to the customer point, it will remain here. And the moment it is delivered, it will come here.
So basically हाम्रो as a seller चाहिँ हाम्रो stay
First, you cancel the product, cancel the order that you have already ordered.
सर एउटा क्वेसन
See how it happens. Yeah, Pratima, please.
अर्चनाको लागि भन्नु जस्तै अब अर्चनाको सुज थियो नि सर अनि ऊ दराजमा लिस्टेड भयो होइन सर तर उसको प्रडक्ट मेबी मानौ होइन 5 मन्थसम्म कुनै पनि अर्डर आएन उसको प्रडक्ट लागि थ्रु दराज अनि त्यो टाइममा चाहिँ दराजले के गर्छ
केही पनि गर्दैन
जस्तो 1 इयरसम्म पनि आएन भने नथिङ के पनि गर्दैन सर
Nothing.
गुड वान
You have to decide on no. तपाईँले यो product हालेपछि किन आएको छैन order? Either the quality is not good, picture is not good, price is high, something you'll have to understand. Or category is chosen wrong, people are not able to see your this thing. See, it's cancelled.
ओके सर
The moment I refresh, it's gone. Do you see?
yes sir
And it will go and cancel. कौन सा दिया अर्चना का यही था ना 8 दिसंबर See? यही हो नहीं कैंसिल में आयो
सर अनि यो त्यो हजुरको स्टुडेन्ट र हजुरले पार्टनरशिपमा गरेको कि हजुरले सिम्पली एज अ मार्केटिङ
I don't take money from any student for anything. I guide them, I teach them, and I enjoy this thing. There's no partnership with any student.
अनि यो चाहिँ उले आफै इन्भेस्ट गर्छ सबै कुरा
Yeah, he does it. Everything he does it. Everything is done by him. I have nothing to do. I just, because I did the whole processing, I helped him in the initial days. So I had the ID password and showed you. And I kept it on my phone. I did not delete it. So for any help that he wants to take, he has told me not to delete. So what happens is anything that he has to ask, then he has to give me again ID, password, all those things happen. So I keep the app with me.
Okay.
For example, this boosting thing I do for a lot of people. Rabin, your business thing. So what happens is when you pay the IT companies, no, you have to pay extra money for the boosting, dollar charges, and all those things they take. So for example, $100 you are boosting, roughly you will have to pay around $140. Rabin, if I'm not wrong, please correct me.
Robin, China, sir.
Yeah. The moment I spoke about business thing, he is gone. So roughly, if you boost, for example, Juta ka to pehle page banaya kuch Facebook ma, right? That page, if you boost, no, for roughly $100, you will have to pay around $130 actually. $30 you're paying to these companies, IT companies. So what they take help from me is from my credit card, Indian credit card, they pay and they only pay $100, nothing else they have to pay. So they pay me in Nepalese currency and I help them out.
दराजकोमा boosting गर्दा पनि okay.
Daraz to boosting huna. That is a different chutta thing I'm telling you. That's a chutta thing I'm telling you. So what I was telling you was कि जैसे ये माँ रखेको छु नि अहिले दराज को app यस्तो मा धेरै पेज मा एडमिन पनि
which is more sir, which is more beneficial sir. आफ्नो पेजलाई boosting गर्दा beneficial बढी हो कि दराजमा आफ्नो product listing गर्दा.
It depends what you are trying, what product you have. For example, there is again a third batch or fourth batch, or I don't know which batch student. This girl has got a beauty salon and training center. So for her, so she does the boosting, Facebook boosting all the time. So we sit in cafe and every time they ask me to boost the page, right? So that thing can be only boosted and make money. For the product which is being sold in the market, Daraz can help you better. See, basically in Daraz, you don't have to worry about shipping. You're paying a certain amount of shipping, amount of commission to Daraz, but there's no headache of shipping, taking orders, cancellation, everything. No, cash on delivery, everything is being handled by Daraz. You have to pay a bit of premium. But if you're doing boosting in Facebook page, everything has to be managed by you. And when you talk about business, no, when you talk about scale, it's very stupid and difficult to manage on Facebook page, is what my opinion is. I feel that way.
Plus, कि त एकदमै popular हुनु पर्यो, एकदमै well known हुनु पर्यो. नत्र भए त Daraz is a place where
that again is difficult. If that well known you are, why don't you ask Rabin to make a website for you and you order from there itself? At least it will come in a system. See, you are thinking of a small thing. I'll tell you how. पहिले ये झाडू आएको छ नि तपाईले हेरौं कति ब्लोअर को एड आउँछ. Try contacting them. They are themselves puzzled because they get so many orders. You don't know which place to go, which place will come in. You have to keep a bike. You have to keep delivering. This is a headache for you. And moreover, if the order comes from Italy, what happens then? If your order comes from Pokhara, what happens then? Keep on taking a headache of contacting a courier company and delivering it there. It's a big challenge. I feel it's a big challenge if you're talking about scale thing. Now, for example, if you've seen, how many orders we have delivered, this is delivered. I'm saying we because I feel connected to this company or business thing, whatever business students do, I feel connected to them. See how many business we have done, how many this thing we have already sent with this whole thing. See, अब हेरू तो 6,500 का पनि माल कहाँ गया? 3177. So how do you manage all these things? I am not very comfortable with it. I feel pay a premium but have a decent business line.
Sir, अनि हामीलाई के दराजले every year को स्टेटमेन्टहरु हेर्न मिल्ने त्यस्तो बनाउँछ total sales कति गर्यो every month.
Yeah, you can see it right away from here. No, why do you have to go for year end and all? Everything is available right now, available for you. Whenever you want, it is available.
Ah, okay.
Print, export, view history, export history. You can export it out. What is that you want? All transactions. So till now, from one day to now, you can download.
यो टोटली बाहिरको कन्सेप्ट के सर मैले अब आई क्यानट डिस्क्लोज हैन तर मैले एकचोटी एउटा कम्पनीमा गरेको थिएँ अनि आई युज्ड eBay के eBay को साइट अनि यस्तै नै थियो मैले चाहिँ फाइनेन्स पार्ट हेरेको थिएँ अनि सेम यस्तै नै थियो अर्डर लिस्टिङ यस्तै खालको थियो अनि स्टेटमेन्ट्स हेर्ने तरिका पनि यस्तै खालको थियो अनि त्यो फिगर चाहिँ नि
Actually, Daraz was basically started by people like you, me, Rabin, and all. No, Daraz thing. They slowly grow up, and then Alibaba took over the whole company. This is now not being governed by any local Nepalese. It's by Alibaba.com. If you see, no, I'm not very sure where. Pratima Bhatrai, is she your batch one? Maybe old student. This is all by Alibaba.com.
Daraz University.
Then you have to fill the form. It is not like.
So whatever you just taught us, इसको training पनि हुन्छ छुट्टै once you become a seller.
Yeah. Daraz was acquired by Alibaba Group in May 2018. That's how it is.
सर अनि यो दराजमा रजिस्टर भएपछि सेलरलाई ट्रेनिङ दिने चार्जेस एन्ड अल केही गर्दैन है
Free. It's a university kind of thing which they mentioned. Everything is mentioned in this university thing. So if you want to learn anything, see, the best learning is practical learning. I have, and this guy Lalit has not taken any training. We did it on our own. It's easy. It's very easy. It's like app. It's like Google. Simple only. You put it में जाऊँ, put it में add करूँ, enter your details. It's done. Why do you have to invest your time into this thing?
यसो हेर्ने हो भने त सर यस्तै गर्यो अनि इन्भेस्टमेन्ट तिर लाग्यो जब सब गर्नु भन्दा त शेयर्सहरु स्टक मार्केटहरु.
No, basically I was I don't know, you being students, how do I tell you this? नौकरी बुरी चीज नहीं है. You understand Hindi, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
नौकरी बुरी चीज नहीं है. नौकरी बहुत अच्छी चीज है, लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम है.
जिंदगी भर करना बुरी चीज है.
ये साला अमीर बनने के रास्ते में आ जाती है. You cannot become rich while having jobs.
Exactly.
ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. ये अमीर बनने के रास्ते में आती है. जितना जल्दी निकलोगे ना इससे, जितना जल्दी बिजनेस में जाओगे, उतना लॉन्ग टर्म जाओगे.
सरले आज एकदम मनमा पर्ने दिनुभयो सबलाई.
This is my subject. This is what I love the most. That's how I see why I'm connected to all these previous students and alumni, everything. This is what I love. I am also a business guy. It's only that, see, what happens is my grandfather used to say, he was an Urdu writer. So he used to say, Tadbir or Takdeer dono saath saath chalte hain. So I was just wondering, what is Tadbir, what is Takdeer? Takdeer I understood is my fate, right? And Tadbir is the Urdu word for karma. They go hand in hand. So I cannot, my problem is I believe a lot into God, a lot into Kundlis and everything. So my Kundli doesn't support for me to get into business. I'm not a job guy for sure. My mind works in business. My Kundli says, go for a job, go for a job, go for a job. So there are challenges with this thing. But what I did was we had a long discussion at home, and we decided that I'll help people to get into the business and make business run rather than me myself getting into any business, because the Kundli will not support me. Maybe it sounds stupid to people, but yes, it is.
No, it does not. But
so I help people establish their business, run their business, and flourish their business. And I enjoy all these things. See now how many products we have got. 32 products is there, out of which 23 are live. That means remaining 11 are out of stock. This must have been skeleton.
यो इभिनिङ ब्याचमा हामी कति थोरै छौँ नि त अनि बाई द एन्ड अफ द एमबिए हामी सबैले के आइडिया निकालेर लेट्स जस्ट डु समथिङ मिल्छ भने हैन इफ कोअपरेसन मिल्छ सबै मिल्छ भने
I don't believe it.
सबै त भइहाल्यो र एउटा दुईटामा ले गर्न
No,
सक्छ
see, Archana, your thought is very good, but the timing is wrong. After MBA, you all will be busy in your lives. You will not get time. After MBA, you will have your individual life. Manik will get married, become a house lady. What will you do? Right? So you do not know what will happen to whom. Probably Pratima says, I'm going to Australia. Bye bye. See you. Archana says, I'm shifting to Pokhara, having my own business. You cannot think of anything after 2 years. What you can think of is within 2 years you can do something.
अर्चनाले अस्ट्रेलियाको अफर पायो भने विदेश छोडिदिन्छ गइदिन्छु भन्छ होला बिचमा
म जान्न भनेको मलाई चाहिँ के लाग्छ भने विदेश भनेको घुम्न मात्र जाने हो यही बस्ने हो यही कमाउने हो यही नाम कमाउने हो यही बस्ने हो
राम्रो अफर गरिरहेछ भने
के गर्ने हो बाहिर गएर
You would not believe, Manik, I was speaking to one of the students. This girl said, sir, she was wanting to go to Australia badly he was wanting to go. So we were discussing how much is the investment that she's going to make in Australia studies. Already a master degree student, master's पढे पछि भइजाने को थियो कि म एउटा जर्नलिजममा मास्टर गर्छु केही
पनि छ हैन क्रिएटिभिटी छ अब गर्ने पनि चान्सेस छ हैन बट केही न केही कुराले रोकि नै रहन्छ ल म स्टार्ट बिजनेस गर्छु भने गर्नै सकिदैन सर इभन वी हैव आइडिया
What idea do you have? भन सरले चाहिँ अहिले स्टार्ट
शेयर गर
बाबु के भन्न सकिन्छ तिमीलाई यार
भने हैन
जस्तो त्यो
हाम्रो ब्याचमा
आउँदैन कि गर्नु भन्ने सर बट हुन्छ यो फिल्डमा यस्तो राम्रो गर्न सक्छु भन्ने चाहिँ मलाई हुन्छ हैन सर बट म त कलेजै आउँदैन म गरौँ आई डोन्ट नो के फ्याक्टरहरु मलाई रोकेर हुन्छ आई डोन्ट नो व्हाट इज दैट डिस्टर्बिङ
Can I answer this